Money pothos plant is ideal for a shady corner in your garden, and this is one of the low maintenance and permanent plants. Look at how huge the leaves are. These plants grow well in the shade. This is ideal as a house plant too, because this is an air purification plant, and with that you can keep it indoors as an indoor plant and also as an outdoor plant. So along with this, I will be showing you some of the plants that are ideal in your shady corner of the garden or else as best indoors. So this is an air purifier plant. This is Erica palm. Erica palm is one of the plants that you must have in your garden or as an outdoor plant or as an indoor plant, because this is also a low maintenance and a permanent plant which purifies the air. So there are many benefits of keeping these plants in your home garden. This is one of the varieties of philodendron which grows well indoors as an indoor plant, and this is also a shade loving plant and one of the best house plants because low maintenance and permanent. Here I have this Chinese Swiss cheese plant. Here I have the Swiss cheese monstera plant which also loves the shade. Do not go to overwater because the reaction of the plant is very difficult to understand. Once you put too much of water, the plant's leaves turn yellow and starting to fall. So take care of pests as well during the rainy season, because this is one of the plants very sensitive to the bright light. So one of the best house plants, and also this prefers the shade. Bamboo plants are also one of the best house plants, low maintenance and permanent, and also one of the shade loving plants. Syngonium, another house plant which is low maintenance, shade loving and also very easy to grow. This is another plant which you must have in your garden as a beginner, and also if you are a busy person, these are ideal plants. These pandanus plants also you must bring from a nursery if you are a beginner or a busy person. These plants are also nice and eye-catching for your home garden because they are variegated leaves and also very low maintenance, will tolerate any kind of weather. So these are ideal plants for your home garden to decor your garden as well. This is pink Syngonium, ideal in a small planter. And this is spider plant in a small planter. I have many spider plants in small planters. This is wandering Jew growing in a small planter, coffee mug, and along with a spider plant. Peperomia, one of the plants that suits into a small planter. And here I have the other variety of Peperomia and Syngonium dwarf varieties. Here also, they looks great in small planters.